Hi everyone, here's the tutorial for crocheting a two-tone wavy pattern mini bag. This stitch pattern looks neat and flat on both sides. Using leather cord gives the bag structure and a nice shine. Let's crochet it together by following the tutorial. Foundation round. Start by making 23 chain stitches. Once finished, insert the hook into the second chain from the end. Make a single crochet. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Next, insert the hook into the following stitch. Make a single crochet. Continue until you have 21 single crochets. Alright, the single crochets are done. There is one stitch left. Work 3 single crochets into that stitch. Then crochet along the other side. We've already worked this side, so insert the hook into the next stitch. Make 20 single crochets. There's one stitch left at the end. Make a single crochet increase. That means working 2 single crochets into the same stitch. When finished, slip stitch into the marked stitch. Join with a slip stitch. That completes the first round of the back base. Now chain 1 and begin the second round. Insert into the stitch where you just slip stitched and make a single crochet increase. Beginners should definitely place a marker in the first stitch. Then work 12 single crochets. After that, in the next 3 stitches, make 3 single crochet increases. Next, work 24 single crochets along this side. In the last 2 stitches, make 1 single crochet increase in each. When finished, slip stitch into the first stitch. Now the back base complete. Next, we'll start on the body of the bag. Chain 1. First, work single crochets all the way around in the back loops only. This is the back loop. Crochet 1 round of single crochet. Next, begin the back body by chaining 3. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the third chain. Then yarn over and insert into the same stitch. Pull up a loop and go through the first 2 loops. This is one unfinished double crochet. Yarn over again, skip 1 stitch and insert into the next stitch. That completes one pattern set. Then chain 1. In the same stitch, work another unfinished double crochet. Yarn over, skip 1 stitch and insert into the next. Pull up a loop to make another unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all loops. That is the second pattern set. Continue with chain 1. Insert into the same stitch again and make 1 unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over, skip 1 stitch and insert into the next. Pull up a loop and go through the first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Repeat this pattern all the way around. For the last stitch of the round, make one unfinished double crochet, skip one stitch, and insert into the marked stitch. Pull through all loops. Now we're going to change yarn colors. Insert the hook through this stitch, through these two loops. Pull the new yarn through. Next, we will work into the spaces here. Slip stitch into the space. Pull the loop longer. Then set this yarn aside. There's no need to crochet over it because we'll switch colors again later and keep working. Now chain 3. Chain 1 more. Yarn over, insert into this space and make one unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over and insert into the next space inside this C shape. Make another unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. The method here is the same as the previous round, so in the same space, make another unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over, insert into the next V-shaped space and make one unfinished double crochet. Yarn over and pull through all loops. Chain 1. That's one set. Repeat this pattern all the way around. After this, alternate these two pattern rows. Work about 8 rows in total. I crocheted 1, 2, 3 pattern repeats and then another row. Next, we'll start the single crochet row. Insert into the slip stitch from before and make one single crochet. Work one single crochet into the chain space. Then work one single crochet into this pattern set. Work one single crochet into the chain space. Repeat this pattern across the whole row. We need to make 2 rows of single crochet. Once the 2 rows are done, we'll start making the handles. First, crochet 8 single crochets. Then chain stitches to form the handle. If you want a longer handle, just make more chains. After that, skip the corresponding stitches. Insert into the next stitch and make a single crochet. Then work 16 single crochets. After that, chain stitches again. Then skip the same number of stitches. Work single crochets into the remaining 8 stitches. For the final round, just crochet 1 round of single crochet. When you reach the chain handle, crochet into one side of the chain stitches. However many chains you made, work the same number of single crochets. Finish the round, and the main part of the bag is done.